Welcome to the Duct Kings YouTube channel. We're your one-stop solution for all your air duct cleaning needs. My name is Sam, and I'm a certified air duct cleaning technician here at the Duct Kings. Today, we're going to explain what AC duct cleaning is all about. You might be wondering, what exactly is AC duct cleaning? Simply put, it's the process of cleaning the various components of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. That includes all the supply and return air ducts, registers, grills, diffusers, heat exchangers, cooling coils, and more. Over time, these components can accumulate dust, pollen, mold spores, and other debris. Left uncleaned, this could lead to a decrease in the efficiency of your system, higher energy bills, and potentially even health problems. When we perform an AC duct cleaning service, we use specialized tools and procedures to thoroughly clean the entire system. This includes high-powered vacuum equipment, compressed air nozzles, brushes, and other tools to ensure every corner of your HVAC system is properly cleaned and free of contaminants. Not only does a comprehensive duct cleaning improve your home's indoor air quality, but it can also enhance the efficiency of your HVAC system and potentially extend its lifespan. Our team also inspects your system's air filters and replaces them if necessary. Clean air filters are essential for maintaining healthy indoor air and an efficient HVAC system. We at the Duct Kings are dedicated to helping homeowners like you maintain a healthy, comfortable living environment. So, remember, AC duct cleaning is not just about cleanliness, it's about your health, comfort, and peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in. If you have questions about AC duct cleaning or wish to schedule a service, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more HVAC tips and tricks. Stay healthy, breathe easy, and remember, the Duct Kings are here to serve.